Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to use the automatic doors with scripts. I'll leave a link in the description if you need to download the package. So I'm using the example scene here that comes with the package. I would highly recommend reading this README here. It's basically this tutorial just without the video. So to start off, the door on my right is the door we're going to want to stay open once it's been opened. And the door on my left here is the one we're going to act like a normal door. It's going to open and close depending on how far or how close we are. So I've already added my player object here. You'll need to put your own in. And so let's start adding the scripts to the player. So we do add component, and then I just type the word open, and both scripts pop up. Just add one or the other here, both, and then you'll see each script has the automatic door array here. We're going to make every size 1, as we have, like I said earlier, one door to open and close and one door to stay open forever. So now with this automatic door opener here, it's very pertinent that you keep the sizes the same. So if you have one door here, make the already opened list to 1 as well. You don't need to change anything there, just keep the number the same. That's very important. So now we just drag the doors in like that and like that. And then with the audio here, it comes with it too. Just click on the audio folder and then just drag and drop just like that. You can use any sound you'd like, but I just have these just because I like to use them. Alright, and now to really explain how this works. So it's very important that the triggers are named how they are in the example scene. So for instance, this door and this door trigger are both labeled auto door trigger and then a number with or without parentheses. So if a trigger doesn't have parentheses, it represents a trigger for a door that will only open once and then stay open, whereas the one with parentheses, will be like your standard automatic door. It'll open and close depending on distance. So if we look here at the player object, you see in open and close up here that it says door parentheses 0 parentheses. Now it doesn't matter what the doors are labeled. I just do this for consistency. So if I need to debug something, I can just quickly find it by looking at the door. I don't have to go, they all come labeled as door. So if you had 10 doors, for instance, you would have 10 things labeled door. So it just gets nice to be able to label them like that. So the reason why they are auto door trigger parentheses 0 and then auto door trigger 0 is so you can have them both in the same game. So if you wanted a door that stays open and a door that opens and closes, you can integrate them both. So it's very important that if you want the door to open and close like a normal door, you name it auto door trigger parentheses, there's no space, so auto door trigger parentheses, and then this number is determined by the element number here. So auto door trigger parentheses 0 parentheses corresponds with element 0. Whatever is in element 0, that's the door it will open as door 0. So it will open up this door. Same kind of deal with this one. Element 0, door 0, it corresponds with this trigger here, which corresponds with this door right there. So if I run it and show you, you'll see that opens, closes, opens, closes, and then opens and stays open. Doesn't play any more sound or what, it just stays open. I would recommend putting a wall there just so they don't see the door panels, but this is just to show you the setup. So again, it's very pertinent that you need to have the triggers labeled like this. So for instance, I'll just show you really fast. So if I wanted to do two doors, for instance, I would have just duplicate those and It's really close when you just duplicate it, but you just need to remove the space. Go back up to your controller. Put 2 doors. Oh, whoops, that's the wrong one. My bad. Yeah, see, it can get a little confusing if you don't take it slow. And then just put first the next door. And let me just make sure everything's working. Okay. And so far it should work. As you can see, this door opens, that one doesn't. That one closes. This one opens and then closes. So that's it, guys. Thanks.